Hey, before we talk about investing, let's get one thing clear. Knowledge comes first. Financial literacy is the foundation of financial freedom. Read trusted books, learn from reliable educators, and follow influencers who focus on teaching, not just selling dreams. Be careful with those who promise that you'll be rich by tomorrow. Investing takes time, patience, and discipline. Step 1. Organize your money. Know how much you earn, spend, save, and invest. Without this foundation, investing will only create confusion. Step 2. Consider ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Instead of buying just one company, you buy a whole basket of companies. This makes your investment safer, cheaper, and easier to start with. ETFs give you diversification. You don't need to guess which company will win. Over time, the basket grows, and that's how wealth is built. Slowly and consistently. But here's the key. Don't get lost in the noise. There's a lot of hype, but not all advice is good. Learn to filter information and think long-term. Investing is not about rushing. It's about building freedom. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, but to create stability for your future self. So remember, knowledge first, discipline second, freedom third. Start learning, start small, and let your money work for you, one step at a time. Subscribe Silent Finance for more financial wisdom.